need anything fab or anything injectors cleaning, we're heading over here to get some injectors cleaning today. And see what's up with the shop, show you guys. ARH, really dope shop. ARH himself.
What up?
What's up, man? This is where all the magic happens. Check it out. I told you guys to make little breathers and
yeah. 25 more.
You got 20? Oh yeah? And then you guys are gonna get some powder coated and all that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's all powder coated up. And
what is it for? For what chassis?
these are for the RSX. That's,
RSX?
Yeah, for somebody else. And then these are the 8th gen Civic ones that he's coming out with. Davey.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
also you make for like other people that sell, like they design or you design?
We come up with a design for him and then
Just
see if he likes it and
let's go,
go from there.
So you're creating the opportunities in it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Dang, that's good. That's really good, bro.
Yeah, man.
Some people grab that stuff and run.
No, trying to stay busy, I don't mind helping other shops, you know what I mean?
Yeah, go ahead. That's
as long as it helps everybody else out and everybody makes money, we're all good,
Everybody's happy, yeah. Check this out, guys. This is a K-swap in a Suzuki Swift.
Suzuki Swift.
You got stuffed it in there. And everything's gonna be made in-house. So, God, this is gonna be so light. This is Suzuki Swift, guys. K-swap, ARH style.
Yeah.
Yo, check out this Ford Escort. It's a Ford Escort, right?
Escort, yeah. All Toyota drivetrain, Mazda motor.
Ooh.
This one's dope.
Yeah, this one's gonna be
Look at that
fun.
thing.
All-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, this one's gonna be fun. Finally, just go over and check the leaks.
So, how long have you been in business?
8 years?
8 years?
9 years. Actually, we're going on 9 years.
9 years? You started in this shop or started a smaller shop?
No, we started in a small little one-bay garage, and
from there, just like
we honestly started doing maintenance work, and then
get the money built up a little bit to.
well, no, we did the performance stuff on our own cars, and then everybody was like, "Oh, can you start doing that to mine?"
Okay.
And then the next thing you know, we got a shop full of performance.
Yeah, I outgrew this place pretty much now, so.
Yeah, which we just moved in here. We've only been here for a year, a little over a year now, and we're already like out of space.
Yeah, the work definitely piles up.
Yeah, it definitely does, and it's also two of us.
Yeah.
We hired another guy,
Yeah.
Matt, back there, and then we're getting another guy hopefully in another next month.
But the main thing is like fabrication and engine swaps and stuff like that, wiring.
Yeah,
or
fabrication, motor builds, engine swaps.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty much everything. With we're not really tied to one specific thing.
Okay.
So I think that's another reason why we have so many.
Much influx,
yeah.
Because I didn't know it was gonna be like mad cars like over here like this.
Yeah, man. It's
and
crazy.
one is gone, another one takes its place. Or
yeah, one's gone and two more people want to come in. That's the way it is. But
nice. What do you do to this the old school Chevy right there? Is that a Chevy 10?
Yeah, that's just old C10. It's a 67. We're doing an air ride kit. Somebody did an LS swap on it, and it's not very.
So you're kind of making it pretty.
Yeah, we're just trying to clean everything up and get them running, and then he'll bring it back for more stuff. But nothing too crazy on that.
Yeah, you gotta do everything.
I mean, those are pretty good for 2200s. All right, man. Take it
cool,
easy.
brother.
Good to see you.
Yep. Ooh, check it out, guys.
We got
Another super nice build.
So we got this right here. It's a special car from a good friend of ours, David. So he's been working on this. This is his baby. He's been working on this for about a year now, getting some stuff done. Fully built K24, K20, doing all-wheel drive. Most of the all-wheel drive stuff is done.
Yes.
We just need to do, just brace up just maybe 1 or 2 bars on it. We got to do the drive shaft. Just put it up. He had it, and then Chad's gonna pretty much. We ripped all this part right here because it was on the car.
Yes.
But we wanted to make, you know, like different brackets for it to make it
look nice and sturdy.
yeah, nice. Yeah, because this car is really nice.
He's gonna also be getting our nice and shiny.
Yeah, we're gonna install that. We're gonna show you a little video on that. We got this right here. This is actually for a right-hand drive harness, so it's not gonna work. We're gonna replace this with a new harness. Some other stuff. We're gonna get rid of this right here. We're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat it. Chad's, like I said before, we're gonna remount this up, all this up here, all the lines.
Fuel.
Yep, all the fuel stuff.
The fuel's a little. I'm gonna talk with him to see like his goals, because he's got some. Basically, some people don't understand, but fuel is really corrosive, so we want to make sure he's using like the right lines to get like the power he wants out of the car, because I think he has some just regular AN line, and if he were to use a really high corrosive fuel, it will eat away those lines, so we might have to change some of his lines and stuff.
But it's a nice car though. Fully built, guys. Sleeve, piston rods, everything. Head, everything.
Let's show you on top. Even the insides.
Okay.
So the inside, we still got to do some brake lines for him and all that.
Oh, some brake lines?
Yeah. It's coming.
Yeah, it looks like a nice setup. He's also running nitrous, so he's going big.
So you can see back there, someone else did all this for him already. They mounted it up. Let's see what else. What else? We're gonna change out the camber kit here, because you can see it's all maxed out. We're gonna put ours on here. We're gonna brace this thing up. We're gonna brace this bar up here.
Brace the bar up, so
yeah. Brace it up here.
Because this flexes up, guys. All your differential flexes up on the launch.
So you can see everything else is pretty much. He did everything on here. He got the OEM style arms here. We're gonna go ahead and reroute some of these lines for him here.
Make everything look nice. And today we're gonna be doing this, putting up his drive shaft for him.
Yep, the drive shaft here. Oh, we're gonna replace this way. This T bracket, we're gonna put our T bracket right here, because these things tend to break right here. So at R, we have the third brace that braces back this way here, so it doesn't flex.
Doesn't flex, okay.
Yeah.
All right, check it out. Light and flywheel. This guy's everything.
Yeah, he got all that. We're gonna brace this. We're gonna brace this going, because this thing here will still move this way. We're gonna brace it going this way here. You're
not gonna weld it or nothing?
Yeah, we're gonna weld not to the car, but we're gonna maybe weld a nut onto here. We'll probably weld a nut onto here, and we'll make a bracket, and then we'll guzz it on here so it doesn't
pull back and forth.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Check it out. Nice car. Sweet. First step, try to get the drive shaft up, line everything up. Check out the car bearings, guys. You guys know we have these in stock, some billet pieces.
Yeah,
make the installation way easier, right?
Yeah, the body is a little messed up on here. I'm gonna try to kind of like form this back out before we show the plates, but yeah, this is how we start. Installing the drive shaft, no matter what brackets you're using. Basically we try to get it as straight as possible, do some markings, you know, this and this are tightened in to get the center point of the viscous coupler, and then yeah, we're gonna try to make it as straight as possible. And on our new brackets here, we have some adjustment to go left and right, and then later you guys will see where I
can go left
here
and right
to go
on that
left
one.
and right to kind of get the spacing for the frame.
The frame. All right, just getting everything marked out. We're trying to fix some of this, as he said, because some of these things are kind of where the carrier bearing bracket is. It's kind of, you see it's all dented in right there. So we're gonna be putting on the little plates, right, Shadow?
Yep.
And we're gonna show you guys step by step installing these carrier bearing brackets. Look how easy it looks. So we took the drive shaft down so we could try to fix this rail right here. It was so bent, as you guys saw earlier. It's the best way you can do it.
You mean spending the whole car.
All right, thanks guys. Appreciate it.
All right, brother.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
That was a good one, man.
CRX
Thank you.
H2B's off. Another one.
That one's gone, so we got another one. Two more. Actually, one more. This one, but this let's go talk about this.
Let's talk about this real quick.
Yeah.
You guys remember this? This is Sone's EG hatch from way back in days.
Yeah, this is my baby.
Gave it
Finally
to,
got it back.
gave it
Thank
to
you,
his
Barry.
boy, and he came back
Thank
to
you.
him. Full circle, and then after
Like he said, see, that's true, because he said that if he ever sells it, guess who's coming back to?
Yeah.
Kept his promise. Only took 17 years, but as you can see, we're getting ready for the all-wheel drive. It won't be all-wheel drive anytime soon. We just did this just for later on.
Brace it up.
It's still running the full H.
Full age,
Yeah, the full H.
full boosted age. This thing is monster. I remember this thing back in the days. Fast, man.
We're gonna see. Since we had to go ahead and do the whole fuel system because it's been sitting so long, we decided to just go ahead and set it up for the fuel cell and the all-wheel drive stuff.
Getting it ready.
Yep.
Nice.
This is PK. So one day maybe might be a gift to.
To me,
Yeah. Maybe.
Rest it on there for now.
another one here too.
Put the bolts in.
Wait, where's the bolts at?
A little progress here. This is best we could get it done, but it's gonna be.
No, we're gonna clean it out a little bit more.
We're gonna clean it out a little more,
we'll
yeah.
bang it a little bit more.
Yeah, we're gonna clean it. I need to see where everything
I'm gonna
goes.
clean it up a little bit more.
Yeah.
This one's already nice and done. This one's not nice and done right there. So we'll put it back up. Drive shaft getting done up. Our billet carabiner brackets. Get them while it's hot, guys. These things are super nice. We got Bridget fresh from Jamaica. You're the only one that goes to Jamaica. Everybody here gotta stay behind.
I know.
Always traveling, man.
Always.
You were in Jamaica.
No, stop lying, man. Ain't nobody know that.
That's what happened. Hey, when you work for Tesla, you could travel.
You can travel like that. That's a Tesla money, dude.
Yeah.
That money go deep. Oh, you got the first one done up?
Yeah, so we got this first done up this morning. Got the front welded up. We always paint this after to avoid rusting and stuff like that. Grind this flat too to make sure the little welds, you know, don't protrude in different angles. So we'll make the nut like nice and flush before we paint it. But that's basically how it looks like.
Pulling up that plate. Plating off the whole thing. And you're gonna plate the other side just like that, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna plate the other side, yeah. This is the nuts in the front. We did a little bit of grinding and stuff, but these are the plates now to make this look like it was supposed to and not that giant dent that you guys saw earlier. So we got these nice plates here. These are where the front drive shaft carrier bearings are going. So now we need to just get a spot for the back and then drill up.
Oh, sweet. Get this thing up. Damn, look how Mike holding that like he got a little baby in his hand. Look at that little baby. Oh, give it a kiss.
Little baby shop.
They could have taken a bowl something right here. To the people who put drive shafts on jack stands in your garage by yourself, more power to you. I know you're using hands, shoulder, knees, and toes.
Everything.
Everything right here. You know, head, shoulder, knees, and toes, right? Everything.
Head, shoulder, knees, and toes.
So as Chad said before with the front, we already had these drilled out and countersunk the nuts into it, and then he welded those underneath. So what we're gonna do now, we have it mounted back up. We have the back of the carrier bearing over here supported, so we're gonna basically just mark this. We're gonna drill some pilot holes so that we have it centered. We're gonna drill those out and then countersink nuts into the back
In the
so
back.
that we're
Same
able to
thing as
bolt
up
those
front.
up. Yeah, just like you see the front here.
Nice. Coming together. Coming out once more. This is the process, guys. You gotta do up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Up and down.
Here we go. Then we're gonna tack that nut. Close your eyes, guys. It's kind of lean. We're gonna tack that nut. Getting all sprayed up so it doesn't rust. Check out a little thing hooked up right here. Little paint booth.
Yeah. Can you bring it down far enough? I think I can.
Everything's all sprayed up. Drive shaft sprayed up. Around here sprayed up because of don't want any rust. Check it out. Caribbean brackets, billet. Nice. So the drive shaft's done. The rear is done. Stay tuned. We're gonna be jumping on the engine bay soon for the next video. Like, subscribe.
In the left one, S1, you gon' wanna test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. All-wheel gripping, 4-wheel gripping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.